for today's video, guys, ay narito Ray Jelly. Making gulaman. Kanang palamig. Making cold because the weather in the Philippines is too much hot. So that's why I making for cold. Palamig ba? Palamig. Kung saan man sa in English ng palamig. No ice cream. So that's why I making this one. So you see? So sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet. So I'm making like this. I cut this one small, square, cube. Oh, like this. This one I put this one condensada. You know condensada? This condense, no? Condensada, condense. Like this. This very sweet because I put kanang sugar and kanang what is this? Okay, right. You know this one in the Philippines is gulaman, palamig. If you want cold, something cold on your mouth, in your drinks like this. If you want cold something in your mouth or what else? So that's why I'm making this one red jelly sweet. I put this one condensed and biscuits. Put ice and then that's it. Palamig. You see this? This very sweet because I put this one sugar. See? It's very yummy. This gulaman in the Philippines, I don't maybe in English is jelly. I think jelly. I cut this one like this, and make it small cubes. Don't worry about my hands because I washed this one yesterday. This is clean. My hand is clean. I washed yesterday. Like this. This is very yummy. This very colorful, no? Color is very red. Like what is this? Red lips. But my lips now is not red. But this one is very yummy. Very. Is there? Sarap. Jelly. this one. Mm. 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 Yummy. Mm. 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 Guys, already. This one I keep this one. Because in this she very like eat this one without condensed. I keep this one for Inday. There's a lot. Mm. You see? Mm. So many. Wait a minute, I take the condensed. This one. See? I put this one here. So this is condensed, Doreen. You see? I put here in the jelly. Charan. And then I put this one in the refrigerator. You see? This condensada, no water, only condensada. This very sweet condensed. Smell, condensed milk. It's very yummy.